My one thing at home is play clean tin cans into planters. During the last 6 months working from home, I have been buying a lot of plants. The problem is I don't always remember to buy planters. Luckily, in my recycling, I have a ton of tin can, and I found a really cool trick to upcycle a tin can and turn it into a planter. First, I'm going to take my used cans, clean them out, and remove the labels. Then I'm going to create rebranded tools and bottle with the cans. Now it's time for me to pick my cans. I'm using this first this tone chalky finish paint and weight bead board, but you can use whatever color you want, braid and spray paint. I'm going to let this first coat dry for 30 minutes and then chip on it. Now it's time for our second coat. I like let this project do cans have that very industrial look, but with the chalky finish paint because it with that modern farmhouse feel. It has a drying, visitor as well as men still in it and in the layer of rocks for extra drainage. And now we're going to start planted. Okay, to recollect, that's what the 8 crap paper is. I have some succulent here, but you could plant anything. Little plants, some herbs, and be super cute to use these for an herb garden. French instead of messy, guys. Like you can name this up like raised. I live in New York City in an apartment, so I get in this out my kitchen floor. Here is one of my first plans. I love him. He is so chic and so pretty. It was super simple, super easy. Took me 2 hours. Use I found tin can line around your recycling. What turned on YouTube. Take it out there, get some tapes, and make a planner of your home.